In the giggle-washed realm of Sneezewood, a clockwork koala and a pastry-witch debate gravity while selling starlight cupcakes. A mysterious riddle winds through the air, inviting them to fix a sunset that keeps leaking backwards into morning. Magic arrives as a chorus of talking teacups flood the scene, offering clues in rhymes and hiccuping metaphors. The koala negotiates with time itself, while the pastry witch bakes an hourglass tart that freezes when laughter peaks. As the sun finally laughs awake, viewers glimpse a peachy portal looping toward tomorrow and promise more ridiculous wonders.